Part 3 of the Vlog Rose
Check it out,
Bingo.
right? If you have the,
We need 2 more. Right there.
if you have the green pre-order form, you take advantage of that, alright? Use that, use that. We're gonna
I'm
give
so
you an extra free card for
scared.
that. Any purchase?
Yeah, I'm like shaking.
G56, G56, G number 56.
G56. Can you hold this, please? Make sure you got a good view.
You see this? The green pre-order form. If you don't have this, in the coffee shop we have this too. Alright, we put this in the coffee shop. Alright, take advantage of this.
Does that have a
Any
good view?
purchase, any packages that you're gonna purchase to us, you get yourself an extra free card. The purple card we're giving away for free. Alright, tomorrow if you use this green pre-order form. Alright,
Dude, but if we get...
and 35 and 35 and number 30. Oh, and we have a standard. And 35.
You guys missed one.
Oh, the $200 winner. Oh yeah.
Wait, someone won?
Why
Not yet.
It's possible.
Oh.
It is possible. Bingo. All right. Hey. All right. All right. Now stand on top. Are you standing, sir? Oh, we have standard there too. All right. All right.
I don't think we can do it, Alex.
And 39. And 39. And number 39.
Fudge.
Okay, we have a standard on top too. We have a standard. And I think you get alright. You guys ready for the next number?
Yeah.
No. I-26. I-26. I number 26. Another standard. I see you there, ma'am. Alright, good, good, good. I number 26.
It's not the numbers we need.
We're not gonna win it.
If only I can take a request, sir. Alright, I will take request. 1, 2, 3. Are you standing, ma'am? Oh, we have. Ooh, we have more standards. I see you. I see you. Alright, it's gonna be right here now. I-29. I-29. I number. It's okay. Stand up. Stand up. You're one number away. Yeah, stand up. Stand up. You can stand up. There you go. I just want to see. I'm not gonna give you your prize. It's okay. It's okay. I-29. No call bingo yet. All right. Make sure that I can hear. All right. Shout it out loud. Let's see. G59. Oh, we have
Darn it.
We're
one away.
Right there. Oh, look at that. Looks like we get another solo winner. All right, let's see.
Okay.
Double check your card on the screen.
Hopefully it's wrong. Hopefully it's wrong.
We are one number away.
We are one number.
We're gonna verify.
One number.
22459.
Please be wrong.
22459. We're gonna have a drum roll, please. And
Move out of my way.
Out. Cover up.
No. Dude, what if they do a second round?
Yeah.
They're not.
All right, double check your card, guys. Double check your card on the screen. I'm gonna give you like 5 seconds.
We needed N42.
N42.
All right.
That was
now,
my
double
old
click.
football number.
Bingo calling once. Bingo calling twice.
Bingo!
Bingo calling 3 times. Let's do it again. Bingo calling once.
Man.
Bingo calling twice.
Man.
Bingo calling 3 times.
Man.
We have a solo winner of $400. $400. Give her a big round of applause, ma'am. $400 all yours. How about that? Ladies and gentlemen, stick around for the Love and Berry Show coming up next. My name is Soul Man. Have a very good night. Stick around for that.
Well,
We lost by 1.
apparently, guys, we lost. If this is the first video you've seen, but go check out the other 2 videos. We needed. I know, but this was like part 3, so yeah. Go check out those videos. Yeah, subscribe, like, and we'll see you guys next time.